The story begins with the Boleyn sisters, Anne and Mary, enjoying their idyllic life at the Boleyn estate. Their close bond and carefree youth are highlighted against the backdrop of the picturesque English countryside. Anne and Mary arrive at King Henry VIII's court, where Mary quickly catches the king's eye. This marks the start of their entanglement in the complex and dangerous politics of the royal court. Anne's intelligence and ambition draw King Henry VIII's attention away from Mary. Her charm and wit lead to her rapid rise in power, becoming a central and influential figure at court. King Henry VIII becomes determined to marry Anne, leading him to seek a divorce from Queen Catherine. This decision initiates a series of dramatic events that transform the English monarchy and the country's religious landscape. Henry VIII and Anne Boleyn marry in a secret ceremony. This pivotal moment underscores Anne's growing influence and the king's desperate desire for a male heir, fundamentally altering the court's dynamics. Anne gives birth to Elizabeth, who will later become one of England's greatest queens. The scene captures the mixed emotions of joy at Elizabeth's birth and the king's continued longing for a male heir. Anne's failure to produce a male heir and the ensuing political intrigues lead to her tragic downfall. The dramatic tension of Anne's final days unfolds as she faces accusations of treason and is imprisoned in the Tower of London. The story concludes with Elizabeth I ascending to the throne, ensuring Anne Boleyn's legacy endures. Despite the tragedy of her mother's life, Elizabeth's reign marks a triumphant and redemptive chapter in English history.